Welcome to Namaste Charter School. We are delighted that you are interested in joining our family. Namaste Charter School is honored to serve approximately 475 students from the surrounding neighborhoods. Namaste promotes curiosity and lifelong student success by implementing and sharing a holistic educational model. Since 2004, Namaste has combined health and wellness with academic rigor in a safe and inclusive environment. Fully aware of the dire issues surrounding safety, health, and equity in Chicago, the founders created a unique, holistic framework that promotes students' optimal wellness through the provision of personalized academic instruction, delivered in concert with social-emotional support, yoga-based morning movement, and healthy food. Adhering to the research-based principle that healthy, active students perform better in the classroom, Namaste engages students in first-class academic, wellness, and character-building programs that help them rise above and out of the difficult circumstances they face. We open our doors at 7:45 a.m. Monday through Friday, and school begins promptly at 8:30. The school day ends at 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday and at 1:30 p.m. on Fridays. This schedule allows for weekly professional development for our teachers and staff every Friday afternoon from 2 to 4 p.m. We operate on a year-round calendar where school runs from August until the end of June to ensure that student learning is ongoing. At Namaste, we see students as people and as individuals. We strive to meet all students where they are, whether that be through more challenging personalized math instruction or by helping students with diverse needs in our sensory room. We collaborate with parents as partners in their child's education and look forward to seeing you at family breakfasts, parent workshops, and volunteering in the classroom, or at one of our parent committee meetings, such as Parents Ignite or the BAC. Namaste is dedicated to teaching 21st century skills to each student. Each grade level has access to one-to-one Chromebook carts. Teachers design activities and projects to help students become digital citizens. In our K-5 elementary classrooms, our focus is on building a strong foundation that will serve students throughout their school experience. We value balanced learning, social-emotional learning, choice, and Spanish biliteracy in our dual-language classrooms. We begin each day with a morning meeting to help students feel a part of the school and classroom community, and we use the workshop model in reading, writing, and math in order to give students multiple opportunities to engage with academic content with varying levels of support. We have also invested in various personalized learning platforms, which allow students to work on material that is at their own unique individual levels and also continue their learning at home. We aim to give students the academic and social skills necessary to be successful in school and in life. Our middle school consists of 6th through 8th grade and is departmentalized. Our mission is to create an environment which reinforces positive behavior to help educate, support, and prepare students for success in high school and beyond. Our middle school students start their day with a daily advisory that provides a space and structure for teachers to support middle school students, both individually and as a group, as they develop their sense of self and identity in connection to their peers. Students engage in personalized learning in math, inquiry-based science projects, and learn about decision-making and being upstanders in social studies. They also engage in reading and writing workshop while utilizing various online platforms such as Lexia and ThinkCirca to improve their literacy skills. Our students have the option to be part of the Student Senate, in which the senators provide a perspective on student issues and communicate back to their school student body. Students also have the option to participate in Spark, a skill-building and career exploration program that prepares 7th and 8th graders for the real world. Namaste prides itself on having a peaceful culture that prioritizes movement, nutrition, healthy lifestyles, and care of the mind. In 2020, Namaste was named one of America's healthiest schools by the Alliance for a Healthier Generation for our dedication to promoting physical education and healthy eating. Our students start their day with a healthy breakfast and 10 minutes of morning movement. For lunch, students are provided a healthy meal. Students have input on the menu every year. Our kitchen also comes with a salad bar. Namaste was one of the first schools to provide this option. Some additional highlights of our nutrition, health, and wellness program are 60 minutes of PE daily, daily recess, morning movement, daily socio-emotional learning lessons, a healthy food policy, healthy breakfasts and healthy lunches served daily, and sports programs, including track, soccer, basketball, volleyball, and flag football. Namaste provides a bilingual program of instruction to all students identified as English language learners. We currently provide services to students through our dual language program and our general education program. Our work is grounded in the pillars of language and culture and collaboration. Our goals for our bilingual program are to develop high levels of academic achievement and language proficiency and literacy in both program languages, to demonstrate high levels of academic achievement, to develop an appreciation for and an understanding of diverse cultures. Our program also has an established bilingual advisory committee, the BAC, composed of elected parents. The BAC aims to help parents of emergent bilinguals develop leadership skills for participation in schools and to advocate for the academic, social, and cultural development of their students. At Namaste, we are committed to delivering quality instruction and meeting students where they are in partnership with families. If you have any questions about our school, please do not hesitate to reach out. We will be happy to answer them.